Are you running a multi-vendor marketplace as an admin and having a point of sale feature? Also, want to provide this POS functionality to your vendors as well? Now, here we are with a useful point of sale plugin for your multi-vendor WooCommerce marketplace. Hey guys, I'm Satyam this side, and today we'll be going through the multi-vendor point of sale system for WooCommerce. This system lets the vendor create multiple outlets for the online store and assign them sales agents. The POS agent can easily manage the sales and customers of the assigned outlet using the multiple options provided in the POS system. This plugin also works in online and offline modes both.
Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore a number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configurations to get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now let's move back to our video.
Now let's check the working of the plugin. But before that, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates from us.
Alright, so now let's check the configuration and working of the WooCommerce marketplace point of sale system. So here we are on the seller admin dashboard. So now let's navigate to point of sale. Alright, so in the first section we have the users. So this is the user list which the seller has assigned to its POS outlet. So now let's check it. Here we have two options available, which is the edit or delete. So using this delete button, the seller can delete the POS user, and from edit they can edit the POS user details. So here they can enter the username, the outlet, the first name, last name, email, the telephone, and various other options, including the profile image as well. Alright, so now let's click on users again to go back. And so here we can see we have a search bar available as well for searching the POS user list. And the bulk action is available to activate or deactivate a POS user for that particular POS outlet. Alright, so now let's click on the next option, which is the outlets. So here in the outlets section, we have the POS outlet list. So basically here the seller can see the POS outlets list. So the one outlet has already been created by the seller. So here they can edit or manage that outlet. So, and basically a search bar is present again to search from the multiple outlets, and a bulk action to activate, deactivate, or delete those particular POS outlets. So let's click on edit. So once I clicked on edit, the seller can edit the POS outlet details such as the outlet name, outlet address, outlet city, status, state, postcode, and various other options. So now let's click on next, which option, which is the manage products. So once after clicking on manage products, the seller can view the list of products which has been assigned to that particular outlets, and they can view various options such as the available product stock, the POS status, as well as the price and product names. Here a search bar is available and a bulk action to enable or disable these particular products for the POS outlet. Alright, so now let's click on next option, which is the products. So this is the list of products which is available and assigned to the POS products. So basically this means these products are assigned for the point of sale system, and next the seller can assign these products to particular POS outlets. So here you can see the seller can filter out the outlets, POS outlets, and also can search the products by these names. And the bulk action is available to generate barcode by ID or by SKU. Alright, so now let's click on orders. So these are the orders, all of the orders list which have been received to the seller from the various POS outlets. So here you can see the POS outlet column is displayed, and we have the search by order ID, search bar available, and a filter option to select the orders based on outlets. Alright, so next let's click on reports. So in this section, the POS reports is available. The seller can filter by various options such as a date range, filter by outlets, or filter by other conditions such as products, revenue, orders, coupons, or taxes. The seller can also reset these reports from this button right here. So you can see the various statistics that are available for the seller to view. All right. So now next we have invoice templates. So the seller can create and add the invoice templates as well. So here in your list or the invoice templates will be available. Let's add a new template. All right. So here you can see the seller can input a name and assign that invoice template to a particular seller. Let's input here new invoice and let's save it. All right, great. So once I click on invoice templates, you can see the invoice template has been generated here successfully. Now let's click on settings. All right. So in this settings section, we have two sections available, which is the payment and the configuration. So in this payment, the seller can view the various payment methods that have been added for the POS. Here we have the two options available, and the seller can also add a new payment method by clicking on add new. So once after clicking on add new, there is various fields available such as the payment name, the payment slug, the description, the status to enable or disable that payment method, and the sellers as well. So in the configuration, we have the two fields available, which is to select the default printer type for printing the invoice or the receipts. They can select the various printer options available. And in the POS product image view, the seller can select the shape of the image view in the POS panel. Here they can select from these three options available, which is the circle, square, or rounded. All right. So this concludes the configurations available for the marketplace POS system. These same configuration are also available on the seller front-end dashboard. So now let's click on front-end dashboard right here and see the options which are available. All right. So here you can see the POS outlet, the POS users, the POS orders, and the POS payments, as well as the configurations. So these are the same options that were available in the seller admin dashboard. So the seller can manage these options from here as well. All right. So now let's check the working of the POS panel. I will quickly switch and quickly show you. All right. So now here we are on the marketplace POS system, and now I'll log into it. So here we have entered the username and the password, and I'll click on login. All right. So I have successfully logged in, and I'll enter an opening amount for cash draw. Let's input an amount. All right, that is done. So here we have the POS panel for the POS user. So here we have various options. Let's check them. So here we have the first option, which is the dark mode. So this POS panel can work in dark mode and light mode as well. Next, we have the option for checking the offline seller orders. Next, this shows the online or offline availability of the POS panel. Currently, we are online. For the next option, we have the hold cart. So this POS system also supports holding the cart for the customers. Next, we have the keyboard shortcuts, and the next option we have the expand screen. So using this, the POS user can expand the screen as well. All right. So here on the main panel, we have the product listing available. So let's go ahead and input an order. I'll select a product. The order has been product has been selected. So here you can see three options available as well. The POS user can also add a new product as per their requirement. They will have to input a product name and a product price for the same. Next, the POS user can also clear the cart, such as like this. So I'll select the product again. And also, if a POS user can also scan the barcode or enter the barcode number right here to add a product to the cart. So here we have the next, move on to the next. Here we have the apply option available, such as the coupon here the POS user can enter a coupon code for the customer discount and also input a discount as per their requirement, either in percentage or in amount. So now let's click on pay. All right. So once the POS user clicks on pay, they can enter an amount. So here we have the cash payment or the other payment options available. So now let's input an amount. All right. So after inputting an amount, here we have the confirm payment and generate invoice option available now. Let's click on it. Great. So the order has been successfully placed and an invoice has been generated as well. Let's click on print invoice. So here you can see the invoice has been successfully generated with all the relevant details in it. All right. So an order has been successfully placed. Now let's check other options which are available in this POS panel as well. Let's click on customers. So here the POS user can edit an existing customer details by clicking on this pen button. And here you can see the POS user has the option to edit the details as well. Now let's click on back. So the POS user can also add a new customer by inputting these further details such as the name, phone, email and address details as well, and then clicking on save. Let's go back. So here the list of customers is available and a search bar is available to search the customers by name or email. All right, now let's click on cashier. So after clicking on cashier, here we have three sections available, which is the close counter, today cash and the sale history. In the close counter, we have the drawer account summary and the further details, amount details such as the payment mode and the grand total are available for the POS user to view. And once that is done, the POS user can click on close drawer right here to close the today's drawer. Next, we have today cash, which is shows the further today cash details such as the opening drawer amount, the today cash sale and the today other payment. So the next we have the sale history. This section basically shows the sale history for the POS. All right. So now let's click on orders. Now, after clicking on orders, we have the sale history, the wholesale and the offline sale and orders sections available. So in the first section, sale history, here we can see the orders which have been placed in the POS and the order status and the channel and the order total as well. From here, the POS user can print invoice and send the order email as well. Next, we have the wholesale. So basically, this is for the hold cart functionality, which I showed you before here, right here, hold cart. So if a customer wants to hold the cart and purchase additional items, then the POS user can simply add the products, then click on hold cart and then come back here to check the hold cart and then click on it to add additional products acquired by the customer. Next, we have the offline sale and order. So this is the POS panel. This POS panel system supports offline sale and orders as well. So if a network connection is not available, the POS user can still make a sale and those sales will be available right here in this list. And when they click on sync orders, when the network is online and clicks on sync orders, those orders will be synced from here. All right, so now let's click on reports. So similar to the admin dashboard, the POS user can also view the POS reports by various conditions such as products, revenue, orders, and also can reset those reports. These are some of the statistics that is available for the POS user. All right, next let's click on settings. So here we have three sections available, which are the account settings, the other settings, and the keyboard shortcuts. So in the account settings, the POS user can see their account details such as the email, last name, and the passwords as well. And they can also upload their profile image from here button. And from here, they can save the account details. Next, in the other settings, we have the invoice page size. They can select the page size for the invoice when it is printed and then can save those settings. Next, we have the keyboard shortcuts. So here we have the various keyboard shortcuts that the POS user can utilize for faster processing. So that is it for the settings section. Here the reset button is also available for the POS user to reset the full POS panel. Alright, so that is it for the multi-vendor point of sale system for WooCommerce. Thank you.
So there we have it, a comprehensive workflow of the module. If you have any more queries or require further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out to us at support@webkul.com or create a ticket at webkul.uvtest.com. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.